First, pry out the central control spring frame. Unscrew the screen screws. Take out the screen and unplug the power cord. Pull out the left and right decorative panels. Create the decorative panel of the air conditioner button panel. Remove the screws. Take out the seat control panel and unplug the power cord. Now we need to remove the driver's seat. The main unit is under the seat. Open the flap under the seat. Pry out the hidden buckle of the baffle. Start switching the power cord. Take out the CD player. Start routing the power cord. Fixing the GPS antenna and 4G antenna. Fixing the USB cable. Plug in the extra speaker. Connected the micro. Take out the USB board from the armrest box. You need to cut a small hole here to bury the audio cable. The audio cable goes from here. Plug in the audio box and secure it with tape. Just leave a small section of the audio cable. Then cover the USB board back. This is what it looks like when the audio box is installed. Defect after installation.